now we're going to work on a rolling exercise when utilizing the breath. So it's going to combine mobility and using your breath for the stability. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start on my back. Arms are overhead. So two different versions. I can reach with my upper body and I can reach with my lower body. So with my upper body, I'm going to reach until I feel my first resistance. So here, when I reach this far, I feel it tighten up on my right side. So what I'm going to do once I get to that point, I'm going to take a deep breath in to fill that area with air. I'm going to contract for 2 or 3 seconds and then breathe out. I hit another resistance point. Fill that region. Contract and relax. One more. Contract and breathe out. It's a great way to work on just overall mobility. So I would do it with my right arm. I would do it with my left arm. Now I can do it with my lower body. Same thing. I'm going to bring it as far as I can until I feel initial resistance. Breathe in. Contract. Relax. Again, 3 to 5 times with that region, 3 to 5 times with the left side. So again, this is a rolling breathing exercise.